Why doesn't the low FODMAP diet work for us? In this video, I will discuss why you might not be seeing results on this diet and highlight some common mistakes my patients make. Many people come to me already on the low FODMAP diet but not getting results. We usually find the reasons and I will share what they typically are. My name is Joanna. I am a clinical nutritionist and welcome to my video. The most common reason the low FODMAP diet doesn't work is incorrect portion sizes or not following portion sizes at all. Remember that diet has specific portion sizes for most foods. Many are allowed, but only up to a certain amount. For example, you can download the Medical University app, the creators of the FODMAP diet, to see that most products have a recommended portion size. If you exceed this portion size frequently, you might not notice the diet's effect. The solution is simple: strictly adhere to these portion sizes. Another thing to remember is the duration of the first phase of the diet, which should last from 2 to 6 weeks and already produce some effects. If you don't see results after 2 weeks, be patient. It might take up to 6 weeks for improvements to show. Another reason might be that you don't have IBS or have another coexisting condition, so the low FODMAP diet won't be fully effective. Often people have SIBO, and while the diet might help somewhat, it won't be very effective without antibiotic therapy. There are many other conditions to consider too. You can check out my video on diagnosing IBS to see if you've had the necessary tests done, and always rely on your doctor's advice and diagnosis. Very common reason the low FODMAP diet doesn't work is consuming too little dietary fiber, like only 100 grams of vegetables per day and no fruit. This can worsen our symptoms because our gut flora deteriorates, so remember, the low FODMAP diet is not a no fiber diet. You need fiber or you might worsen the situation. If you want to learn more about the different stages of the low FODMAP diet or SIBO therapy, join my webinars. You can find the link in the description. If you're not seeing results on the low FODMAP diet, consider your stress level. If it's very high, reducing stress should be your first step. I recommend starting the diet with relaxation techniques or working with a psychotherapist to reduce stress. High stress often correlates with IBS, but if your stress level is extremely high, the diet alone might not counteract the gastrointestinal effects. Also, know that the low FODMAP diet doesn't always provide perfect results. If you achieve 70% improvement, that's a significant success. Having too high expectations might lead you to think that diet isn't working, but if it allows you to function normally, that's a considerable improvement. Interestingly, the diet works best for diarrheal type of IBS. For constipation predominant IBS, additional steps might be taken. I have a video on constipation coming soon, so subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Remember, the low FODMAP diet is effective for up to 80% of people with IBS, so it's not a solution for everyone. You might be among the 20% or more for whom this diet doesn't work. If the low FODMAP diet isn't working for you, check your portion sizes, manage your stress, give it time, ensure you've done all necessary diagnostic tests, talk to your doctor, and pay attention to your daily dietary fiber. As I mentioned, this diet doesn't work for everyone, but its effectiveness is really high, and no medication has such high effectiveness for IBS as the low FODMAP diet does. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment and I will try to respond. I'd also be incredibly grateful for all likes and subscription. See you in the next video.